Imagine making tens of thousands of dollars in passive income every month by becoming an author, without being a seasoned writer or having any prior experience. It might sound too good to be true, but with today's technology, it's more achievable than ever. In this comprehensive guide, I'm going to show you how to use AI to craft and publish your very own children's book on platforms like Amazon. From writing the story to creating illustrations, all with minimal effort. This process leverages powerful AI tools, allowing you to produce professional quality books that can become significant revenue streams. By the end of this guide, you'll see me create a book in real time, publish it, and hold a physical copy of it in my hands, demonstrating just how possible this is for anyone willing to try. Follow these steps and you'll have your first published children's book ready for sale on Amazon. No prior experience required. Step 1. Writing the story with AI tools. The journey begins with writing the story, which can be the most daunting part of creating a book, unless you have the right tools. For this project, we'll use GravityWrite, an AI-powered tool that helps craft stories effortlessly. Step-by-step process. First, sign up for GravityWrite. Visit gravity.com and sign up with your email. This tool is to use, and once logged in, select the book writing option and then choose Kids Storybook. Next, create the story. Outline, enter a title or summary to guide the AI in creating a story. For example, I titled my book Niall and the Giant Fry, a fun, engaging story inspired by my 4-year-old son Niall's love for French fries. Select the genre, in this case, fiction, and age range. Example, 0 to 5 years for a picture book format. Enter character details or let the AI create them. For my book, I specified Niall as the main character. Choose the number of pages, aiming for the industry standard 32 pages, which includes 26 to 28 pages of content, plus supplementary pages like a title page and a copyright page. Tips for a great story. Ensure the story has a clear beginning, middle, and end. Keep sentences short and engaging to maintain a young reader's attention. Use fun, simple language and repetitive phrases where appropriate, as they resonate well with children. GravityWrite will generate a complete story, including text and prompts for illustrations. Copy the content and paste it into a Google Doc to prepare for the next step, creating illustrations. Step 2. Generating illustrations with Midjourney. While GravityWrite does offer basic image generation, I recommend using Midjourney, an advanced AI illustration tool that provides superior results and more customization options. Getting started with Midjourney. Sign up, create an account with Midjourney. A basic plan costs $10 per month and it's well worth it. Next, choose an illustration style. Search for children's book illustrations to find styles generated by other users. Browse and select an example that aligns with your book's theme. Then, generate illustrations. Copy the image prompts provided by GravityWrite and paste them into Midjourney's prompt box. Customize details such as character features. Example, changing eye color from blue to hazel, to ensure they match your story. Pro tip: to maintain consistency in your character's appearance and the book's visual style, always use the Use Image option before entering new prompts. This tells the AI to use the existing image's attributes as a base for new illustrations. Download your images and upscale them using iloveimg.com to ensure they meet Amazon's print quality standards, at least 4,000 by 4,000 pixels. This step is crucial to prevent blurry illustrations in your final product. Step 3. Setting up an email list for free marketing. Building an audience is key to driving sales and catching the attention of potential publishers. Setting up an email list early helps you promote new books and show evidence of your reader base if you pursue a publishing deal. Creating an email list with Omnisend. Sign up. Visit Omnisend and create a free account with the link in the description below. Choose non-e-commerce for your list type. Design your form. Navigate to the Forms section, select Preview and Launch Form, and customize the design. Keep the form simple with a headline like Sign up for updates and book releases and a CTA button that reads, Join now. Next, customize and enable the form. Adjust colors, add background images, and update the success message. Enable the form and copy the provided link for future use. Use this form link in your book description or on social media to grow your email list. This will allow you to notify readers of new releases and special promotions, boosting sales over time. Step 4. Assembling the book in Canva. Now it's time to bring everything together in Canva, a user-friendly design tool perfect for laying out your book. Creating your book. Layout. First, choose a template. Search for children's book templates. Select one that matches the shape and size you prefer. Example, a square format. Next, add your cover. Use the book cover prompt from GravityWrite in Midjourney to create an eye-catching cover. Import it into Canva and adjust as needed. Then add text and images. Copy text from your Google Doc and paste it into Canva's text boxes. Format the text using fun fonts like Happy Font TH to make it visually appealing. Drag your illustrations into frames, example, clouds, circles, to add variety and keep the design interesting. Pro tip: always keep text and important elements within Canva's safe zone to avoid them being cut off during printing. Assemble each page of your book, ensuring text and images align. Download the finished file as a PDF print, selecting CMYK color mode if you're using Canva Pro, which is ideal for professional printing. Export the cover page and interior separately, as Amazon requires them to be uploaded separately. Step 5. Publishing your book on Amazon KDP. Once your book is formatted, it's time to publish it through KDP, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Publishing steps: create an account. Visit kdp.amazon.com and sign up for a free account. Next, select Start a New Project. Choose paperback. Most children's books fall below the 75-page minimum required for hardcover. Enter book details. Input the title, author name, and book description. For an optimized book description, use an AI tool like Google Gemini to generate SEO-friendly copy. Assign an ISBN. Click on Assign ISBN for a unique identifier. Upload files. Upload your PDF manuscript and the cover file. Finally, set book specifications. Choose Premium Color Interior for vibrant images and select an appropriate trim size, e.g., 8.25 by 11 inches. Pro tip: ensure your cover is formatted as one long image to wrap around both the front and back of the book. Adjust Canva settings accordingly to match Amazon's required dimensions. Launch Amazon's preview tool to review your book. Once satisfied, click Approve and set the pricing. Choose a competitive price to balance profitability with sales volume. Opt for Amazon exclusive distribution for a 60% royalty rate, or select expanded distribution for broader reach at a reduced 40% royalty. Step 6. Promoting your book for free on YouTube. One overlooked but powerful way to drive sales without spending money on ads is by creating children's storytelling videos for YouTube. How to create a read-aloud YouTube video. First, create a voiceover with 11 Labs. Visit 11labs.com and sign up for a free account. Generate a voiceover by copying text from your book and pasting it into the voice generator. Download the generated audio file. Next, video editing with CapCut. Create a free account and start a new project. Upload your voiceover and book images. Align the images with the audio for a seamless storytelling experience. Add simple animations to keep viewers engaged. Scale and move the images slightly across the screen using CapCut's motion tools. Pro tip: use call-to-action pop-ups within your video to encourage viewers to visit your Amazon page and purchase your book. Upload the finished video to YouTube with a title like Storytime: Niall and the Giant Fry, a read-aloud book for kids. Include your Amazon link and email list form in the video description to boost traffic and grow your audience. The final step: reviewing your published book. Once published, order a copy to review the print quality. Receiving a physical copy allows you to confirm that the colors, text, and illustrations are as intended. For example, upon receiving my book Niall and the Giant Fry, I found that the print quality was superb, from the sharpness of the images to the vibrant colors of the illustrations. This step ensures your product meets the quality standards that readers expect. By following these detailed steps, you can transition from having zero experience to becoming a published children's book author on Amazon. The entire process, from story creation to marketing, can be completed in just a few days with the help of AI tools like GravityWrite, Midjourney, Canva, and CapCut. Plus, leveraging platforms like YouTube and Omnisend will maximize your book's exposure and sales. Remember, the only thing stopping you from achieving this is taking the first step. If you follow this guide, you can confidently publish high-quality children's books and build a successful passive income stream. Your journey to becoming an author begins today. Start creating and success will follow. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this How to Make Money video and found the content interesting and informative. Please like and leave a comment and your questions below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.